Cold world, can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough.
Do me a favor, pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got my stacked up for nights like this.
Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be like 3 different things in one. First, I'm going to show you all the initial state of this hair, and I'm going to show you all how I styled it for my liking. Before making this video, I washed the hair, I blow dried it, and I installed it as a quick weave. As far as bundles go, I do have layered inches, so what I did was cut some of those inches off because I wanted a straight across natural look. The ends of the hair were okay, they weren't the best, some of them were a little thin, so what I'm doing right now is trimming those, and I'm also framing my face. Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm DaeZhane for anybody who does not know. Today I'm going to show you all how to make your Brazilian body wave hair sleek and silky. Just to tell you all a little bit about the hair that I'm currently reviewing, it is from Beauty Forever. So on to the specs about the hair. I have a 12-inch closure, a 12-inch, a 14-inch, and a 16-inch bundle. And that totaled up to be around $119, so about, $120. Shipping was free. I actually got it from Amazon, not their AliExpress site, but their Amazon site. So I know they did have an AliExpress site. I'm not sure if they still do, but I know for sure that they have Amazon because that's where I got this hair from. So yeah. So I've worn this hair for about a week. This is how it looks right now. I just took it out of my bonnet. I didn't do anything to it while I was asleep. I just had it in my bonnet. So that's why it looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and start to try to do my hair. And then in between, I'll give you all some talking points about the hair. Or I might talk about different things. So this is kind of it might be like a get ready with me hair video. I don't really know. We just gonna see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Ooh, okay, alright. So let's see, what are we gonna start with? My closure is shifting back, that's okay. So first, in order to get my hair really straight, I like to go in with a blow dryer first. To get the most straight look, it's better to blow dry your hair while it's still damp. But I'm not going to do that. So we're going to see how the blow dryer works with the hair being in the state that it's in right now. I have a feeling that it might make the hair kind of stiff because the hair already kind of has product in it and it's already been straightened, but we're going to see. Okay, we're going to see. The blow dryer that I'll be using, I really don't know. It's a really old blow dryer and it barely works. So I'm just going to put this on hot and let's see how it goes. This is how the hair looks now. From doing that, I feel like the hair looks more light already, and it does look more full and just more natural instead of having that weighed down look that it had earlier. At this moment, I kind of like my hair like this. I like that thick natural feel, but this is not a thick natural tutorial, girl. This is a how to get your hair silky, sleek, and straight. So that's what I'm going to give you all, so let's get to it. Alright, so for the next step, we're going to divide our hair, and then we're going to begin to flat iron. I don't know where this flat iron came from. This is my mom's flat iron. Oh, it says tool something. I don't really know because it's kind of scratched off. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this on. We're not trying to burn our hair, so let's do 400. No, let's do like 375. Okay, let's do that. Oh girl, it's already hot, girl. It's already hot. Let me get my fan. Alright, so I'm going to divide my hair in half, side by side, and then I'm going to section it off by, you know, starting from the bottom. So yeah, I'm just taking my comb and doing passes. I mean, my flat iron and doing passes. I know some people like to take their comb and chase it. I mean, I guess it might work, but you know, I don't see too much of a difference. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Just realized that after when I get to the end, I'm kind of like tilting my flat iron just a tad to bump the ends a little bit, because as you can see in the beginning of my video, I cut the hair straight across because I wanted it to have that natural like clean cut. So bumping the ends just makes the hair look more healthy. I don't have to do as many passes with the flat iron because this hair was already straightened. But you know, if yours is freshly washed and then you just freshly blow dried it, then you might have to do a few more passes than I did, which is totally okay. Just don't burn your hair off, girl. Just don't do that. So let me tell you all about my experience with this hair. Like I said, I worked with this company before, and the first time I got the hair, I think like my longest inch might have been like an 18 or a 20. It's a really old video on my channel. If you're OG, then you already know what I'm talking about. But the hair was okay, you know, it was okay. It was the first hair that, like, I wore the hair at the beginning of my sophomore year of college. I'll try to find like a video or something for y'all. It was really decent hair, but it was like, you know, it was just decent to me. Like, it was good. It served its purpose. Like, I didn't really have too much to say bad about it, but it's just like it wasn't the best hair that I've had. But this round is really nice. It's really nice. I'm very pleased with it. I would purchase it, you know. It looks very natural. I'm not sure if that's just, you know, the quality of the hair or the way that I have it styled. But I got a lot of compliments on it because it just looks so natural. It has a nice sheen to it. It's not dull at all, but it's not, you know, super like silky either, because I mean it's virgin hair. But I don't know, it just looks very natural. It's soft to touch. I haven't experienced tangling issues. I haven't experienced shedding. Well, I have gotten a little bit of shedding, but it's not like crazy shedding. Just like, you know, I'm combing through my hair and I see like maybe a few strands after I finish combing through my hair, but nothing too ridiculous. One thing I will say is that this hair doesn't hold a curl the best. Not sure if that's just the batch that I got. And my track is slipping because I have the hair glued in. I just did a quick weave for the weekend. But anyway, the hair, what was I saying? Oh, the hair does not hold a curl very well. I tried to curl it over the weekend, and I'll just say that I've had hair that has curled better. But you know, that's not really a huge deal unless you just want, you know, to curl your hair all the time. And like I said, that just might be the bundles that I receive. That's one thing about, you know, buying hair, you know, virgin hair. You don't always get a good batch every time. But, you know, that would probably be my only con about this hair, is that it didn't give me a good curl, which isn't that big of a deal to me at the moment, because I've been wanting to wear straight hair. So I have a question for you all. Like, y'all know I got my little channel going. Y'all know I do my little uploads, and I do different things, you know. I primarily do hair videos, but you know, I've dabbled into you know, advice videos and college videos. I've tried to do a few little fashion videos and makeup videos. But like, what all do you all like prefer? I feel like y'all prefer hair videos from me. I feel like that's where like majority of my base is at. So is that what I'm realizing, that y'all like my hair videos more? And I feel like y'all like my like tutorials or my synthetic wig videos the most. True or false? I also want to know, like, do y'all want me to talk more during my videos? Because you know I'm good I'm good for like speeding the video up, playing some music on top, and maybe throwing in a few captions here and there. Do y'all like videos like this where I like talk out the video where I talk out the instructions while I'm filming? Or do y'all like, you know, get ready with me videos where I just talk about different things while I'm filming? What do y'all like? Let me know in the comment section. I don't know, for me, as a just like regular person within the YouTube community, I used to like videos that would just get straight to the chase, like speed that thing up, let me see how you doing it, and boom, all right, like I'm ready to try. But I get that some people actually want to feel like a connection with the person whose video that they're watching. So y'all want to be connected with me? Or y'all just like, nah girl, I just like your reviews and stuff, so can you just like tell me what's up and we keep it pushing? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. So also, I've been trying to watch different YouTubers lately. I feel like I watch the same people over and over again, which is no problem because they make like, you know, great content. But I'm interested to see like, who do y'all like? Who else do y'all like to watch on YouTube as far as like the beauty industry? Some people that I typically watch are like Aaliyah's Face, Danielle, gosh, I don't remember her last name. It starts with a B though. Jackie. Who else do I be watching? Girl, who else do I be watching? Oh girl, that's probably about it. That's all I probably watch about right now. But I mean, I'm subscribed to like tons of people, but those are the people that I should be watching right now. Oh, I like Patricia, but she does like fashion videos more so. Oh, I don't know if it's Sade. I'm gonna say Sade. S-A-D-E, Sade Watkins. I like her. I like Aaliyah J. Kaiser Kobe, Catherine Bedell. I don't know, like I'm subscribed to tons of people, but those are just like the main people that I've been watching lately as far as like their beauty content. So who do y'all like? Who should I start watching, you know? So I've done both sides, but something you girls have to remember, or should I say ladies? Let me not say girls. Something you ladies have to remember is not to forget the back. Like, I know we feel like since we grabbed both sides that we got everything, but that's how you end up with straight hair all over, and then in the back you have those little waves that of course you don't see, but girl, we see it. It's not that big of a deal, but you know, it just cuts away from the silky sleek look. like I said, I just did a quick weave for this video, so I just kind of, you know, glued it onto my hair. But I'm about to take this out. It's great hair, but I'm about to take this out, and then I'm thinking about making a wig out of it. So if you all are interested, make sure that you not subscribe, but follow me on Snapchat, because if I decide to make it a wig, that's where I'll be like marketing it, letting y'all know that it's for sale. Or just go ahead and subscribe, because I might, you know, put it in another video in the future, like, okay, finally made the wig is for sale. Okay, moving on. Do you see how, girl, hold on, it's already got the shine and the luster and the all of that. One of the final steps, you need this oil sheen. It is the ISO Plus Oil Sheen Protective Hairspray. It is the Dramatic Shine one. And let me tell you, this will make your hair look so silky. You don't need too much. A little goes a long way. Like, you'll think, oh, it didn't even get on the hair. It did, sis. It did. Just give it a minute. So we're gonna shake it up a little bit, and we're gonna, that's all you need. Just let it. So we're gonna let the rest, you know, fall into our hair. We're gonna brush that back in. And it's pretty much good. I'm just gonna go back in a little bit with the flat iron, just to give it a little bit more shine. Going back over it just really helps bring that all out. Remembering to tilt my iron just a little bit to bump those ends. And there you go. Here is that silky, sleek look. Alright ladies, this is all for this tutorial. I hope that it helped. Go ahead and purchase this hair, girl, if you're feeling it. I'm telling you, it really is some good hair. I really had a pleasant experience this time. You know, last time was good too, but this time was even better. If you need any more details about the hair, please let me know in the comment section. I'll answer it for you. But make sure that you look down in the description box as well, because that is where I put a lot of the information that, you know, you might have missed in the video. And so I have a link to the company, the hair, all of that good stuff in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe so that you won't miss videos in the future, and I'll see you in my next one.